Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the launcher authoritative. Set it as default and grant the required permissions so gestures can run reliably. Once done, turn off battery optimization, otherwise the OS may suspend gesture processes. Next, open the launcher's gesture settings. You'll see categories like swipe, double tap, edge, and long press. Begin with one simple mapping, for example swipe up to home, to confirm the system honors your launcher, before mapping multiple custom gestures. Now you configure the complex behaviors. Pick a gesture type and assign a specific action, app launch, back, recent, or a shortcut. Make sure you understand why sensitivity matters. Too high causes false positives, too low requires exaggerated motions. Adjust edge width and dead zone to match your hand position. If the launcher supports gestures per app, use that to disable them in games. Once configured, test each mapping sequentially, so you can isolate and correct conflicts early. Finish by testing gestures in real scenarios, home screen, app drawer, and during media playback. Make tweaks for any unexpected behavior, then export your launcher profile so you can restore preferences quickly. If gestures don't work, first disable Miui built-in full-screen gestures. Those can intercept input and reboot the device. Also recheck accessibility and overlay permissions, then try turning off battery optimization again. If problems persist, clear launcher defaults and set it as default once more to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.